Frozen ready meals are a great solution when you lack the time to prepare a meal because of numerous duties, especially that you can take advantage of many interesting ideas for a quick and tasty dinner. Today we will visit FRoSTA production plant in Bydgoszcz to see how frozen fish with sauces are produced, specifically the fish from the oven Italian. The main ingredient is Allaska pollock, caught in the Bering Sea, in fisheries with the MSC certificate of sustainable fisheries. The fish are filleted and frozen immediately on board the ship, within a maximum of 24 hours after being caught.
Surowiec, którego używamy, mrożony jest bezpośrednio na statkach przetwórniach, tuż po połowie. Proces ten nazywamy pojedynczym mrożeniem, dzięki czemu nasze filety są soczyste i smaczne.
From each batch of raw material that goes into production, we collect several fish blocks, which are then tested in the laboratory. Among other things, we check their dimensions and physical properties. For the needs of the examination, the block is thawed. A single fillet ends up on a backlit table. Here we can check if the fish has been properly filleted, meaning that there are no bones in it. Fish raw material also undergoes chemical analysis, among other things for freshness of fish and salt content. The laboratory also examines the remaining ingredients that will be used to produce the fish from the oven. In FRoSTA products you will not find any food additives, such as colorants, aromas or flavour enhancers.
Na opakowaniach FRoSty konsumenci znajdą jasną, czytelną listę składników, nic nie ukrywamy, każdy może szybko sprawdzić, że faktycznie nie stosujemy dodatków do żywności.
For more information about the ingredients and their origin, we encourage you to visit our website, which we have prepared specially for our consumers.
Na stronie frostafoodtracker.pl konsument może się dowiedzieć, skąd pochodzi każdy pojedynczy składnik naszego produktu. Na przykład w rybie z pieca po włosku mamy pomidory z Hiszpanii, bakłażany z Włoch i pieprz z Wietnamu.
After passing quality control, the raw material goes to the cutting line. It is at this stage that individual portions of fish with fixed dimensions and weight are cut from the frozen block. The robot then arranges the layers on the production line according to a specific sequence, and the fish are directed to the sauce dispenser. The sauce for fish from the oven Italian has been prepared earlier. The ingredients, weighed according to the recipe, were mixed in a machine. Olive oil, tomato paste, cream, a mixture of spices and of course vegetables. Frozen pepper, zucchini, tomatoes and aubergine. All ingredients have been mixed together at temperature of -5 degrees Celsius. We go back to the production line. The fish portion is placed on a tray and then sauce is poured over it. The machine accurately measures its amount so that each portion is the same. Later, the dish is sprinkled with pieces of vegetables and mozzarella cheese and goes to the freezing tunnel. For 35 minutes, the baked fish stays in the freezing tunnel in -35 degrees Celsius. From there, the meal is directed to the packaging line via transporter. Cartons used to package the ready products are made of paper certified with the FSC Sustainable Forest Plantation certificate. The packaging is carried out by 8 robots. Each carton is then closed, weighed and placed in the collective packaging. The product in this form is put on a pallet. The pallets are transported to the warehouse by automatic forklifts. At the end, we visit the quality control department. Every hour, products are taken from the production line and subjected to sensory evaluation. The ready products, after being taken out of the oven, are evaluated for their appearance, consistency and taste. If these evaluations are positive, the product goes for sale. Frozen ready meals produced at the FRoSTA factory in Bydgoszcz are delivered to stores in Poland and other European countries.